Hello everyone, and welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we bring you a recipe that has exploded on our Pinterest channel. This no-cook peach flan has gone viral, and it's not a surprise. You can prepare it in just 5 minutes, and it's incredibly easy. Let's see it. But first remember that if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. First of all, let's make a brief summary of the recipe for our dessert. Our peach flan has a very easy difficulty. Its preparation time is approximately 5 minutes. Likewise, it does not need cooking and must be cooled for at least 60 minutes. The utensils we will need are very basic. We need a blender, individual serving glasses, and 1 spatula to mix everything well. Nothing complicated. To make this viral recipe, we'll need simple ingredients that we probably already have at home. And don't worry about writing them down, we've included them in the video description. We will use nothing more than 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of canned peaches, half a cup of peach syrup, and 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, hydrated in water. Very good. Now we are going to prepare our peach flan. We start by placing the cup of heavy cream in the blender, the cup of cream cheese, the cup of canned peaches, and don't forget the half a cup of syrup, which will give it an extra touch of sweetness. Finally, we add 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, already hydrated in hot water. This will give you that smooth, creamy texture that everyone loves. We blend everything for approximately a minute until we have a very creamy mixture. It's that easy. Now we pour the mixture into individual glasses. Use a spatula so you don't waste a single drop of this deliciousness. We put the glasses in the refrigerator for at least an hour. All you have to do is wait for them to cool. And so, in just 5 minutes of preparation, you have ready this no-cook peach flan that has taken Pinterest by storm. It's fresh, creamy, and perfect for any occasion. You can serve it in the glasses or unmold it. If you want, decorate with peaches or pieces of fruit and a blended peach with syrup. What are you waiting for to try it? At Cookinglandia, we are always excited to share unique and delicious recipes with you. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video. See you soon. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit cookinglandia.com.